How to fix ChatGPT not working on your browser. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will guide you through on how we can fix ChatGPT not working on our browser. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can fix that issue. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. So if the ChatGPT is not working on your browser, these are the process you may follow. First thing first, you need to just head over and launch the Google Chrome browser into your device. And after launching the Google Chrome on your device, you're just going to head over to the three dot at the top right corner and click on it. After clicking on it, just go ahead and click on settings. And after going to settings, you're just going to locate the option called privacy and security here. And after going to privacy and security, we're going to delete the cookies that are being the obstacle and that is not allowing the ChatGPT to work properly. So we're just going to locate the option called see all site data and permissions. Go ahead and we're going to locate the option called OpenAI here if it is available or if you have OpenAI on your device. So you're going to go ahead and delete OpenAI. For example, let's just say that is the one. You're going to go ahead and search for it and go ahead and delete it, confirm it, and after that, it should probably fix your issue. Other than that, the next method we can apply is go ahead and close your settings, or you may directly go to the Chrome Web Store. Let me just close and open up your Chrome settings again, like Chrome browser again onto your device. After opening up, you're gonna go ahead and locate the option called Chrome Web Store here. Just type in Chrome Web Store. And after typing in Chrome Web Store, you're gonna look out for the extensions here. Just go ahead and open up Chrome Web Store. And you may directly look out for the extensions here. Otherwise, you may just head over to your settings, back to your settings. And we're gonna delete the unnecessary extensions that is taking up the space in your Chrome browser and creating bugs. So we're just gonna go ahead and look out for extensions here and wait for the page to be loaded up. After it is loaded up, just click on remove and a pop-up will appear on your screen. Just go ahead and click on remove. And that should probably fix your issue. And once restart your device and that should do it. So therefore follow the steps in order to clear your fix your ChatGPT not working. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.